ForEffect AI is one of the latest AI tools to hit the market, and if you're wondering whether it's the right fit for your business or projects, this review will break down everything you need to know. Stick around until the end, because I'll be revealing the hidden features of ForEffect that you won't find in most reviews. You'll also get to know how it compares to other top-tier AI software out there. Before we dive in, you can try ForEffect AI completely free through the first link in the description below. No commitments, just a chance to test it out for yourself. ForEffect AI has quickly gained attention, and it's easy to see why. This software combines the power of automation and personalization, letting you leverage artificial intelligence to streamline your workflow, boost productivity, and enhance customer engagement. Whether you're a marketer, entrepreneur, or content creator, ForEffect AI provides a diverse set of tools to help you succeed. One of its strongest features is its intuitive user interface. Even if you're new to AI software, you'll feel right at home. It's designed for simplicity with no steep learning curve, which is often a major drawback of other tools. You can get started in minutes, and that's a huge time saver when you're looking to get things done fast. Another key benefit of ForEffect AI is its ability to automate content creation. With advanced natural language processing, the software can write, edit, and even optimize content. ForEffect AI doesn't just generate basic copy. It tailors it based on your specific requirements, saving you countless hours on writing tasks and boosting the quality of your content without the need for constant revisions. ForEffect AI also excels at data analysis. It allows you to process and analyze vast amounts of data effortlessly. Whether you're running a digital marketing campaign or analyzing customer behavior, ForEffect's AI algorithms provide you with insights that help you make smarter, data-driven decisions. This alone can be a game changer if you're trying to scale your business without spending countless hours on manual analysis. One of the standout features that truly sets ForEffect AI apart from others in its category is its integration capabilities. It seamlessly integrates with a variety of platforms, including CRMs, email marketing tools, and social media platforms. This integration means that you can use ForEffect AI to unify your workflow, pulling in data from different sources and executing automated actions based on real-time information. Another crucial aspect is its customizable templates. Whether you're looking to create emails, social media posts, or full-fledged marketing campaigns, ForEffect offers a set of templates designed to fit various industries and goals. These templates are customizable, so you can tweak them to match your brand's tone and voice, ensuring consistency in your messaging. ForEffect AI doesn't just stop at automation and content creation. It also features advanced analytics, which can track the performance of your campaigns and provide actionable insights. This means you can fine-tune your strategies based on what's working and what's not, which is essential for optimizing your marketing efforts. And let's talk pricing. ForEffect AI is highly affordable, especially when you compare it to other AI software options that can quickly become expensive. With a free trial available, you can get a feel for the software without risking any money up front, and from there you can choose a pricing plan that fits your budget. If you've ever struggled with overwhelming amounts of data, disjointed workflows, or content creation that's just not quite hitting the mark, ForEffect AI could be the tool you've been waiting for. It's designed to help you do more with less effort, allowing you to scale and automate key aspects of your business, all while saving time and boosting efficiency. So, if you're still wondering if ForEffect AI is the right choice for you, I highly recommend giving it a try. Test it out for free and explore how it can streamline your tasks and make your digital marketing more effective. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and after using ForEffect AI, I'm convinced it's one of the best out there right now. ForEffect AI is a powerful, intuitive, and affordable solution for those looking to optimize their workflow. Don't forget to check out the free trial from the link in the description below. And before you go, make sure to check out the list of other top AI software I've tested over the years. You'll find those links down below as well.